Hello, welcome to Tom's Tube Chan. You just saw my Arrma hit the deck quite hard. It didn't break, but something did go pop. Watch the rest of the video and then afterwards I'll show you how you fix it.
It's rubbish. We're still in one piece. Is there anyone there? Anyone there? Oh, that's a bit of a nosedive. Oh, what have we got? What have we got? What have we got? We've got a pop.
Right, so let's have a look at fixing this. Basically what happened was, got a large impact and the ball connector didn't basically popped out the steering hub here. So let's have a look. Make the most of it. Take off the nut on the outside, take off the wheel, and that gives us access to this hub. This all looks okay. And what we've got to do is take out this here. Just need these. And then we need to undo this. Like so. Try to drop stuff, put it back through there, like so. Put this guy here, back in like that. Put this guy back on. In that goes. There we go. Okay, too tight. Loosen it off. Got to make sure this basically can swivel around like so, nice and swivelly. Let me put that back on there. should be able to get, yep, that Allen key in through there. Make sure the drive shaft or the dog bone, whatever you want to call it, goes in like that. Match it up to the bottom suspension arm. Strange. It's okay now. Yeah. Quite fiddly this bit because you need to compress the suspension and put the dog bone in at the same time. I suppose you could always take the suspension off if you wanted to. We're trying to do it the quick way. Press the suspension up so it doesn't thread things. Make sure that that washer doesn't keep on falling off. It's a little bit frustrating. Put that in there. There we go. Everything's lining up nicely now. There we go. That's all back on. So now we just put the wheel back on. Just checking for any damage before I put it back on. That all looks okay. Let's line up the hex. There we go. Put back on the wheel nut. Give it a little. There we go. Fixed. All done. Easy. Not too bad at all. Just checking for any other damage. I think we're okay. Yep. Guys, thanks for watching. You saw me fix the car. Everything was good. You also saw in that video in my son's FTX, he did hit the deck quite hard and smashed into little bits. We're looking to get those bits replaced. Hopefully the next time we're out and about you get a bit more on that. I'll talk to you a bit more about that in the next video. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Give us a like and a sub. Thank you.